Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi K30s, at first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type iOS launcher. We have to get this application from the routine developer, so let's install. Let's open. Then accept permissions right here. And click on the home icon. Select iOS Launcher 14, and when this notification pops the second time, you have to click as always. It's very important. And as you can see right now, we got this launcher right here. You can edit home screen icons, also widgets. So click on the batteries. Remember to select the choice and go for the iOS Launcher 14. And when you go back on this application, you can see that you can customize a lot of things, so just have fun and change it like you want. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!